Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XRP. XRP is down 5% over the last 1 month. XRP is down 38.3% over the last 1 year. XRP currently trades around $1.32. Currently at a crucial support level. What's next for XRP? Look at XRP's performance against the US dollar, XRP performance against Bitcoin, XRP's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at XRP's market cap. What's the progress report on XRP? Is this a good time to still be accumulating more XRP? Are we going to get that relief rally? Are we going to get that huge pump we're waiting for in 2026? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 week, a lot of altcoins took back the gains they have made. XRP also took back the gains they have made. A lot of altcoins standing on shaky grounds. But right now, crucial times in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, a lot of market participants are starting to give up. And if you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, it's not palatable for the altcoin market. XRP price dropped to $1.1 as supply in profit drops to a 17-month low. XRP profitability supply fell to 43% as high capitulation and a bearish chart setup signal a potential drop towards $1.10 in the coming weeks. So you can look at it, the market participants are not excited about XRP. The general consensus in the market is that there's one more leg down. We've seen XRP get to that $1.10 level, and if we dump from where we're currently trading 0.2 at the $1.3 region to the $0.10 level, that will be a 16% decline for the price of XRP from what we're currently trading right now. If you look at XRP's price history, we have a very strong support level right now where we're trading. We saw XRP facing some difficulties there in August of 2021. We saw XRP getting rejected there in November of 2021. And if you go back way back in January of 2018, we saw XRP having some minor reactions at that level. So right now, I believe XRP is at a very strong support level. Right now, I believe is the best time to be accumulating some XRP. Worst case scenario, guys, we see a relief rally to the upside. That relief rally should take us to at least minimum $3.3, $3.4 level. And if all things being equal, if the altcoin market sees that extended pump I've been talking about, if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, if we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, the line in the sand, the price region that will make a lot of market participants go crazy again is going to be that $3.64 region. From where XRP is currently trading right now, going to see XRP pump by more than 178% to get there. Look at XRP's RSI, guys. Historically, anytime XRP's RSI is this low, it has always been a good buying opportunity. Look at the last time XRP RSI was this low, that was June of 2022. It felt like XRP would continue dumping to Goblin Town. It felt like there was no any chance of any pump in sight, and we're already seeing the XRP go from $1.9 down to as low as $0.27. That was an 85% decline. But what happened after that? Those market participants accumulated XRP around $0.29 to the $0.31 level. And they made a good decision because eventually saw XRP slowly but surely pumping to higher prices. And by the time we got to July of 2025, XRP had already risen up by more than 1,100%. You have to trust the process with a lot of these altcoins. You have to buy them when the prices are low, and when the prices go high, you have to sell for some sweet profit. And as of Tuesday, 43% of all XRP coins were in profit last seen in November of 2024. Historically, the metric drops below 50% has signaled a transition from optimism to despair, characterized by panic selling and high capitulation as seen in the previous bear markets. And that's the vibe right now in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of market participants are expecting one big push down, one big dump to the downside. They're expecting lower prices for Bitcoin, for all coins in the cryptocurrency market. And one thing I've realized in the market, guys, is historically the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. It doesn't mean the bears cannot be right. There's always a possibility that yes, XRP can go to lower prices. There's always a possibility we might wake up and see XRP even below the $1 level But the RSI is showing us that this is a good time to buy. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is telling us historically buying when there's extreme fear, buying when market participants in unison are expecting lower prices has been a good decision. So I'm placing my bet. I'm expecting XRP to go to higher prices, not lower prices. XRP price bottom signals emerge after the altcoin hold key support. Technical and on-chain indicator hints at a possible trend reversal in XRP's price as traders watch to see if key support level holds. And that support level we're talking about, guys, that $1.32 level, XRP has been trading there right now for around 60 days. Hopefully, we hold that support. Hopefully, we see XRP have that relief rally at worst, at best, a pump towards all-time highs. The $1.3 level is going to be that line in the sand. And if we see XRP having that pump to higher prices as I expect, as I've been singing on this channel for over the last few months, I will expect XRP to outperform Bitcoin. I expect XRP to outperform Ethereum. XRP has been outperforming Ethereum since May of 2024. Right now, XRP is still up 371% against Ethereum since May of 2024. Historically, when all coins are having their final pump to the upside, that's when a lot of market participants start flipping their Bitcoin, they start flipping their Ethereum back into the altcoin market. That's when you see things go crazy. XRP's market cap sits at the $81.48 billion level. And don't forget, guys, the previous all-time high for XRP's price happened on the 4th of January 2018. XRP traded for as high as $3.84. And right now, XRP is still down 65% from the all-time highs. Look at XRP's performance against Bitcoin, similar price action. XRP looks very, very bearish when the market is dumping. But when the market is pumping, we always see those big bursts of pumps to the upside. XRP is one of the most volatile coins, one of the OG coins here. It has been in the cryptocurrency market since 2014. 12 years and counting, XRP has been in the game. Look at XRP's market cap. We saw the market cap getting to new all-time highs in July of 2025. There was a clear bearish divergence then. There was a clear sell signal then. We saw XRP's market cap getting to new all-time highs. We saw the RSI failing to get to new all-time highs. And historically, there has been a clear sell sign. And since then, we've seen XRP's market cap go from $210 billion. We've seen XRP's market cap even drop to as low as $69 billion. Right now, the market cap sits at the $81 billion level. We get a pump to the upside, the $136 billion level is going to prove very, very difficult. We've seen XRP get stopped out there way back in 2018. But as market participants are bearish, worst case scenario, we see XRP come to as low as $61 billion in market cap valuation. For what currently trading, that will require XRP dumping by around 25 to 26%, which in the altcoin market is possible, which in the altcoin markets can happen very, very quickly. As I showed you guys with the RSI for XRP's performance against Bitcoin, if you look at XRP's market cap, you can see anytime the RSI at this lower band, historically, that has been a good time to buy, and I don't think this time is different. I believe we're going to pump to higher prices at best, pump to new all-time highs, and XRP's market cap gets to that $300 billion level. But one thing is sure, at some point in time, the dump is going to come to be over. At some point in time, extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market will slowly turn to neutral sentiment, slowly turn to extreme greed. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you a bear? Are you expecting XRP to drop towards the $1.1 level, or are you a bull, expecting higher prices, expecting the $1.3 level to hold? Are you buying more XRP in your portfolio? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.